All right, we ain't gonna play with it. Um, just a few minutes away, 9 minutes away, 8 minutes away from today's close. I already marked the PDH and PDL right here. Um, now we're gonna dive straight into price action, current price action, because um we base price uh based on what price, or to determine what price is doing. To determine what price is doing, you have to know what price did. So we're diving into what just transpired. Now, as most of you've been following, I've been tracking price, been tracking price, and giving my analysis and my breakdown and my viewpoint on what I see the market doing based on market structure and price action. Now, knowing what bullish price action is, we base it off of impulsive and corrective price action. Now, I mean, you guys been following me. So, impulsive move to the upside, and then corrective price action is what? Sideways movement, choppiness, up and down. Prices just going up and down, creating a series of highs and lows. Price not really going nowhere. What you would say, price ranging or consolidation. All of these terms is used to describe corrective price action. So, with that being said, with corrective price action, it's a series of highs and lows that's creating a what you essentially a box or a rectangle. Um, and on this 8 hour, what we got this impulsive move. Why is this all impulse? Because price traded inside of this candle, as we all know. Boom, we got this. So this is all buy right here. Then once we got this impulsive move, what did price do? Right here, sold off, bought, sold off, bought, and selling off. Right now, when you see where did price go in all of these candles, these days, this week, price traded what? Sideways. So I mean, I don't really use these, but we're gonna get to it. I don't know. God, yeah. Sheesh. Right, that's crazy. Okay. So, just right here, if you can't see, like, this is right here. Oh, shit. Right here. Yeah, man. Right there. That's what. Gotta do some. So, right there. Hi. Well, so right here. Yeah, man. It's identified, you see. Right? So, yeah, I'll be the first to admit, what it's looking like. If we get this bullish engulfing here, right? So if looks like price may be giving us this bullish engulfing or tweeze or bottom, however you want to look at it. Look like that's what price is going to be giving us. We know this monthly structure has been broken. This could be retest, right? But I'm saying all that to say this whole thing right here, everything that I've been reading and everything, um, you know, you would consider the retracement. That this is the play for price to do what it's doing now and give us that continuation to the upside. Why do I say that? Because bullish price action, you would look for that impulsive move to the upside, and then what? Corrective price action, price moving. It can move sideways this way, or you know, retracement can be, you know, down this way. You know what I mean? But it creates a channel, or it creates um yeah, that was much better. It creates a channel, or it creates that range or that consolidation. You know what I mean? So okay. You know what I mean? So corrective price action here, creating a series of highs and lows, creating this consolidation, this box, this range price. This will be considered the retracement. You know what I mean? Especially if we're getting this bullish candle pattern here on this 8 hour. Now, I say that to say what? You see, I've been reading this price action, right? But first and foremost, we want to go with the swing low, higher low to higher high. Remember, I had this as the 8 hour structure, right? But after seeing price action now, I'm like, wait, the full move was this swing low to swing high, and then we had got this bullish price action here, right? Swing low to swing high, and it came down, and then even in my previous video, I identified this right here. I identified this price action right here. Um, in my previous video, I said this. Some would say this could be it's the end of the day. Um, some would say look, this impulse after we receive this three candle impulsive move to the upside, we encounter a three candle impulsive move to the downside, and I call this impulsive move because of the price action that happened after that. After this impulsive to the downside, after that push to the upside, we got this push up, real slow. Granted, it was the weekend, but pushed up, gave us boom, boom, right? A, B, C, D correction. A, B, C, D corrective price action after this impulsive move, right? But I identified this in my previous video. Boom, but I said I didn't see price doing that. I said what I seen price would do or whatever the case may have. But granted, uh, monthly, like I said, monthly structure is still broken. Like I'm looking for price to proceed to the upside, and with seeing this, right, um, price came down and created this swing low to swing high, giving us that low, and then we got this right here, giving us that low, and then we got this one right here, giving us that low. That you know what I mean, giving us all these lows, but price in creating all these lows and highs, what did price do? essentially nothing. Trade sideways. This is the corrective price action, right? And then uh so to push down, boom, to take all the money that was here. We got that liquidity grab. That's why we got this X right here, you know, right here. We got price pushed down, and I say that why? Because as soon as price pushed past this low, what did we get? Boom, a bullish engulfing. And this was the yesterday's low, or um it's a new day now, but yesterday's low. And then what did price do? Push down and closed back above it. Um, so like we see that is a signal of respect because price closed back above it after pushing down below. But the target was to swipe these lows, this liquidity, and then immediately price reverses, giving us a bullish candle pattern, and then attack highs. Right, that's what we will be looking for this bullish price action that we are encountering now. Impulsive, corrective, choppy. You know what I'm saying? Sideways trading, essentially going nowhere, creating a range, consolidation, and then what bullish price action is: take lows, immediately turn around, giving a bullish counter pattern, and attacking highs. And that will take us to where we are still inside of this, right? We encounter the swing low to swing high. So that means what? Everything in between this range, everything in between this range is what? A retracement. You feel me? But inside this range, we will be looking for what can cause price to give us the continuation, and then we look for what? Bullish price action. We look for price to range, consolidate, uh, give us this corrective price action, and then what? Take lows, take highs, and you know what I'm saying, off to the races. Right? Now, on the flip side of that, right? I'm gonna start doing, I'm gonna start just playing both sides, just like boom, just flip it, right? Now, for the Bears case, that's what, we that was the bullish case. Now, for the Bears case, um, you would what still follow this, right? Where price pushed up, impulsive, and reverse, given with another impulsive, and then giving us this corrective price action, and then continuation. Now, if you were still on a Bears case, you would be looking at um, this to be swing high to swing low, right? That's what we would be looking at. We would be looking at price pushed up, reversed, and took lows, and now we got this bearish engulfing to this bullish engulfing, and you would measure this swing, right? That's if we was looking at it in the bearish case. But just seeing what price is doing is, hey, to determine what price is going to do, you have to know what price is doing. And in order to know what price is doing, you have to know what price did, and you base it off of that. Like, what did price do? Once you run down what price did, you have a better and clearer view of what price is doing because of what price did. Then you once calibrate all of that and know what price is doing, then you can ultimately know and determine what price is going to do because the phases of the market and no understanding price action, and you get expansion, you know, corrective price action, and continuations or expansions again. And it's just like that. So the daily, as you can see, um, price is still inside that daily candle. One may, call it a tweezer top if you want, but you see, same thing, price push down past all these daily lows, swipe, and pushed up, respecting the open of yesterday's bullish candle, and that's what the daily look like. And we already know everything look like. You feel me? So far, that's what the monthly look like. But again, we all know what all that. But yeah. So hey, Market Monday. you know, I haven't done one of these. I usually just do a midweek, but based on price action, just had to chime in on current price action. But again, we got the bullish case, and then I showed you the bearish case, where you got this impulse, corrective impulse, and then um, we can say correction inside this swing high, swing low, retrace, and we'll be looking for that continuation to the downside for the bearish case. Because for the bearish case, I would look at this high right here, and you got that high that was created, and then boom, then price pushed above this high and immediately turned around and took out those lows, right? So for the bears case, that's what, I mean, that's how I would be looking at it. That's exactly how I would be looking at it if I was bearish here. And I mean, like, very well, like, we know price is what? Respecting PWL. You feel me? So the best place to buy is at the weekly lows. And, you know, price could very, boom, come down here. So, you know what I'm saying? Boom, right? Could very well do that. We will see by reading price action. But I can do all my analysis and saying what I believe price is going to do based on what I see the market doing, and I base everything on market structure and price action. And but yeah, that's that. You feel me? So I gave you both cases. We see what price is doing. We understand the phases of the market. And we understand how price move and what price got to do what price needs to do. And you heard it here first, man. Snipe Go, the candle reading guru. Tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. You feel me? I'm on the way.